Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well. This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're gonna go over two moves today that took place within the Nasdaq market using the fuel trading model. All right. Also, mentorship opens up April 1st, and the fuel model course will be released to you guys. So everyone who's been wondering, everyone who's been asking questions, everyone within the Discord, if you're part of the free Discord, you see everyone who's asking when is the course going to release, when is the strategy guide going to release, and all of that's going to be released April 1st. So what I want you guys to do is, if you're not a part of the mentorship waitlist, okay, head over to Mac Trading Academy, join the waitlist, come back to the video, and then I'm going to show you what you're going to learn with the mentorship program. All right. Now, those of you guys who are part of the waitlist, you're not going to have to pay $99 per month. All right. So be sure to join in if you want that incredible discount that we're going to give you guys. Whoever's a part of the waitlist, you get it. Now, everyone who is a part of the waitlist, you won't be able to join the mentorship program. We're only accepting a certain amount because we're going to be working with you guys for a 3-month period. Okay. And we're literally going to take you step by step and turn you into a profitable trader. You'll be live trading with us, things like that. So because of that, we can't accept like 500 people. You know what I'm saying? We can't do that like we did with the previous mentorship program. So just keep that in mind. All right. If you guys hear background noise, I'm outside right now at a little area. They have like little restaurants over here, so people are walking and things like that. So anyways, let's get into the video. So first move that took place. Okay, we actually had 3 moves that took place. All right, so let's go ahead and go over it. Now, I'm usually not trading the Nasdaq at this time, okay, which is why I wasn't going to go over it. But it still follows the fuel trading model. Okay, for those of you guys who do start trading at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you would have been able to catch this move. Now, me personally, I start trading around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, a little closer to 10. And definitely past 10:30, right? But that's just my preference as a day trader, all right? So the first entry that took place, okay, we have accumulation here. Price manipulates to the upside. Sorry about that, guys. There's also like a little tiki bar over here, so, you know, people are a little tipsy on a Tuesday. It looks like Tipsy Tuesday. All right, so we have accumulation here, right? Then we have a manipulation push to the upside, sweeping buy side liquidity, okay? Then we have a nice push to the downside with inefficient pricing that is offered as well. All right, our entry based on, all right, this entire manipulation area, or excuse me, our entry based on this entire accumulation area, okay, was here. All right, price came back to this area. We also see bearish variations every single time price hits this level. All right, we see it here, and we see it also here as well. All right, so that's something to keep in mind. This trade returned about 2.02%, okay? However, no one on my team took this trade, so we didn't catch this move. Target was 3 standard deviations based on that manipulated range, okay? And as you guys can see, and I hope you guys know, when I'm breaking down the market for you all, okay, I'm showing you every single model that takes place. So if there's a model that takes place in the opposite direction and it's a loss, you guys will see it here. And as you guys can see, if you go through the YouTube videos, there aren't a whole lot of losses, right? So definitely keep that in mind. We don't have any other models that here we have no other models that form outside of the 3 that I just showed you guys, right? Now, what that means is you're going to be extremely consistent and well, maybe we did have some after. I didn't look at the market after this trade here. So maybe we do have some models that formed afterwards. All right. But anything before this trade here, all right, I have all the models marked up for you guys as it relates to valid entries. Anything I don't have marked up, it means that an entry wasn't given. So you wouldn't have been in the market. All right. But any losses that would have taken place, I also show, I say, okay, especially in the Discord, because that is how you're going to learn. All right. Fortunately, we haven't taken any losses. All right. Last week was a flawless week, but we did take one loss. We did take one loss last week. Outside of that, it was a flawless week. $12,000 return for our investors. So very simple, very straightforward. And yeah, we just keep it going. So 2.02% returned on this trade here. All right. Then we had another fuel model form here. All right. Accumulation, manipulation to the upside, sweeping buy side liquidity here. All right. above these two relatively equal highs. Then we start to break to the downside. All right, we break down through accumulation, and efficiency is given and balanced within the market. All right, that's what we like to see. It tells us that we're on the right track, and then price comes back up into our entry for this area here. All right. We then push to the downside and we hit our target 3.5 standard deviations. The target was selected based on this manipulated range, returning 2.25%. All right, very simple, very straightforward. Okay, I promise it's the easiest trading that I've done personally, if that tells you anything, right? And I've been in the market for over for over 5.5 years. All right, half a decade, if that tells you anything. Okay, here, once again, the fuel model forms, all right? Accumulation, we have manipulation push to the downside, price then push to the upside, all right? Now, this here, okay, I actually took this live with a student, okay? I'm going to show you guys. So today at 2:34, I sent this to him. Anyways, so let me tell you guys. So today, there's a new trader, all right, and he wanted a little in-person session, a little one-on-one. Watch me apply this live in the markets. So we met at a coffee shop here in Orlando and ran through the strategy with him. He's a new trader, so most of it definitely went over his head, but he has access to, the course and things like that, and the strategy guides. And this was a trade that right before we wrapped up the session, all right, this was a trade that had formed, and we analyzed it. I showed him where the entry would be. We selected the target, set the stop loss, and we just let it run, right? So at 2:34 it hit target. All right, I sent it to him. Like right when it hit target, I got the alert and I sent it to him, right? And then he says, right, you guys can see what he says. He says, nice, that looks like a long run. That was a big lesson, right? Let me tell you guys, if someone is teaching you a strategy or something like that on how to invest, whatever, and they're not able to produce the result in front of you, right? They make it seem like it's complicated, not the right time, oh this, oh that, then that's not someone you should be learning from, all right? If you want to day trade, you should be learning from someone who can literally hop on a call with you during New York session, and whatever the market is doing, unless it's high impact news, all right? That's one thing that I don't really play around with. I will stay out of the market with high impact news sometimes. But if they're not able to hop on the charts with you, hop in the market and produce results in front of you using their strategy, then that's not someone you should be learning from. All right, so that's just something to think about, right? So this guy pulled up to the coffee shop and we traded this move live, analyzed it and everything, showed him accumulation, the manipulation, the distribution, where the entry was, why the entry was there, candlestick analysis, projections, all of that, standard deviations based on the manipulated range, all of that. And as you guys can see, results were produced, 2.06%, right? So tomorrow is Wednesday. We will be highly focused on catching a move. I do have an interview at 10:30 for a new team member. Someone may be joining our team as it relates to graphic design. So I have to interview him at 10:30 tomorrow. And then after that, I'll be on the markets, on the charts. So catch you guys tomorrow. Join the free Discord if you are not a part. The link is in the description, or you can go to mactradingacademy.com and join the free Discord. And I will catch you guys tomorrow during New York session within the Discord. We will be active, so join in, ask some questions, get to know the mentors, things like that. Shout out to Jay. Anyways, join the Discord and you guys will see why I shouted out those people. But join the Discord. I'll catch you guys. Peace out.